Working na dinala para isusod ang batas na Department of Overseas Filipino Worker. Naging Department of Migrant Worker under Republic Act 11641. Ngayon ang tanong ko po, bakit po napalitan ang aming kahilingan na nung inilin po namin ito kay Pangulong Duterte at inaprubahan din naman po ni Senator Bongo ay Department of OFW. Bakit po naging Department of Migrant Workers? Dahil kung ating susuriin at babasahin ang kahulugan ng migrant, they are find employment. Kami po bilang OFW, ito po ang history po nito, dati po itong OCW, Overseas Contract Workers. Dahil nga po, para ma-identify po tayong mga Pilipino bilang OFW, ito po ay pinalitan, inamen, para maging Overseas Filipino Workers. To consider the Filipino workers tayo. Ngayon, ang tanong ko po, bakit po nangyari na Department of Migrant Worker na supposed to be mismong si Pangulong Duterte ay nilungkuan ito na ang kanyang i-create, kayo po ang naatasan noon na mag-implement na Department of Overseas Filipino Workers. Ngayon, nangyari Department of Migrant Worker. Basahin ko lang po ang kahulugan ng migrant worker. A migrant worker is an individual who moves either across international borders or within their own country to find employment, usually for a limited period. Often working in agriculture, construction, or domestic service, they typically feel labor shortage in sectors that require hard manual